like to use it first. Now, there were a handful of words that I'd noticed that you do that, not that you get wrong, but that your accent does show more. And yeah, again, it's the L and the R. Like it's not a case where you would say like liberty, nothing like that, nothing so over accentuated, but it's very subtle. It's about the way the jaw makes the L and the R sound. So because you had said liberty, but you had said it almost like it caught a little bit.
Liberty.
Good. So the way we say these words, often if we have a multiple syllable word, we have to become accustomed where the emphasis on the word goes. So the accent on that word is on the first syllable, liberty. So I had underlined a couple of words as you were going. I might have missed a couple because I didn't want to be too frantic. But fathers, dedicated, altogether, consecrate, and birth. Those were some of the words that I found that your accent was coming through pretty strongly. Oh, and portion. So dedicated. Again, the accent is on the first syllable. That's one of those tricky words where sometimes if it's a verb or an adjective or a noun, sometimes the pronunciation will change, which is a little bit difficult. Because if I showed you a word, now that looks like it's the same word and it's the same meaning basically. But if I said this one is a verb and this one is a noun, do you know the difference? How you would say them?
Graduate. Graduate. Same thing.
Close. But the verb is graduate.
Oh, graduate.
The noun is graduate.
Oh.
So that's the thing.
Okay.
Yeah.